What if I told you some parrots can actually count and even do basic math? Sounds unbelievable, right? But scientists have found that certain parrots, like the African grey parrot, don't just mimic words, they understand what numbers mean. One famous parrot named Alex could count objects, recognize colors, and even add small numbers. When shown 5 red blocks, he didn't just repeat 5, he knew there were 5 blocks there. Imagine a bird looking at a table and knowing there are 3 apples without having to count them one by one. That's real intelligence, not a trick. So next time you hear a parrot talking, remember it might not just be repeating you, it could actually be doing math in its head.